So, you love the rains but are too scared to take your camera out? Well, here are a few tips on how you can take some interesting photographs from your home itself.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Through the month of July, I'm going to show you guys how I'm a complete monsoon maniac, meaning I'm going to make videos about the rains and photographing in the rains. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I click a few photographs from my home itself. So let's get started. Outside the window, we have a world full of birds, trees, leaves, flowers, whatnot. Sometimes you can capture the beauty of this world very comfortably from your window itself. We all have some potted plants at home, right? So use them. Place them against a nice green rainy background and photograph them. You can even zoom into their leaves and capture the tiny droplets on them. Bonus points if you have flowers and small fruits. If not plants, we all have windows, right? Shooting through a rain-swept window gives amazing feel and depth to your images. You can use props like toys, utensils, mugs, etc. and click some beautiful photographs. Just place them on a surface overlooking an open space like a windowsill or balcony rail. Sprinkle some water and you're done. Water pouring down from the roof or awning looks beautiful. You can place your hand under it, raise your shutter speed, and that's it. The splattering rain gives you some interesting patterns, splashes. Place a bowl of water in the rainfall and click. If you have a small garden or compound, make some paper boats with colored paper or newspaper. Place them near a puddle with some leaves, and that's it. We all like to have some tasty bhajiyas or samosas during the monsoon. I love photographing them just as much as I love eating them. Ask any family member to pose for you against the window and take some interesting portraits in the monsoon. Shooting in black and white gives an amazing vintage feel to your images. Macro, trees, landscapes, objects, portraits, windows, whatever. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. This is another video related to the monsoon and shows that I'm a complete monsoon maniac. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on the things you love doing during the rains. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay tuned for my next Monsoon Maniac video which will be up next Wednesday. And this is my last monsoon video, monsoon photography tips and ideas. This is a playlist that plays all my tutorials at one go. Please go check them out guys. Links are down below in the description too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.